Hello, this is Tiffany with Hustle Hard Design Co. I just want to do a quick video tutorial to show you how to use the Canva bulk create tool to create your Tumbler mockups in minutes. I have 24 images that I have uploaded to the bulk create tool and two mockups. So we're going to create 48 mockups in just minutes. Okay, let's get started. It's 6:32 now. Okay, let's go over to the bulk create tool. Okay, just to save time, I already uploaded the 24 images, and now you would just go to this add image column here and just add however many images you have. And this took me just about 2 or 3 minutes to do. Okay, so now we are going to connect our data. So, two mockups here. So for the first mockup, we are going to go to the positions tab and we're going to find our frame and we are going to go to connect data and select image. Okay. So now we're done with that one. We're going to go to the second one, go to the positions tab and connect data, connect it to the image tab. Okay. So that part is done. And then we are going to click continue. It's saying that you have 24 images, and then once you click generate, it's going to create 24 mockups for each one. Okay, 6:32, 6:33 now. Okay, it's generating. Wow, that is like amazing. It's done. Hey, that was what, 2 minutes. It's done. So you got 48 mockups in 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. I think this beat Photoshop. Okay, let's see. I do have a mock-up, a drag and drop mock-up available in my store. It also has it's a three-piece mock-up with a single tumbler, the full wrap tumbler display, and an animated tumbler mock-up. I'm going to try this on the animated tumbler mockup, and then if it works fine, I will create a video on how to bulk create um, the animated tumbler mockups in minutes. Okay, I will leave a link for this mockup file in the description of the video if you're interested. And there will be it will be a video tutorial included with the mockup. Okay. We're all done, and you can just message me if you have any questions. Thank you. At Just message me in the comments, and I'll get with you. Thank you, and have a great night.